Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to Stephanie for being the first in the notification gang. Thank you so much for your love and your support. In today's video, I'm going to be, reviewing, but not really reviewing because they're not paying me. I just wanted to try out this little nifty thing that I found online while I was browsing, looking for some natural hair stuff that I could just try out. And I found this. So essentially, it's like a heat pack. So if you have an electric blanket, it's exactly like an electric blanket, but for your head. So we're going to be trying that one out. So the first thing I'm going to do is take out my hair, and I did this anyway while I was eating breakfast. So now I'm just going to unravel it so that I can begin with whatever treatment I want to use. So for today, I'm going to be doing a aloe vera pre-poo or just an aloe vera mask because my hair is quite clean because I washed it towards the end of last week. So it's been less than a week since I actually washed my hair. So I don't want to do any stripping or anything like that. So I've decided to go for aloe vera instead. So first I'm going to wet my hair so that the aloe vera actually glides a bit better on my hair and so that I don't really cause any breakage. Then I'm going to start applying the aloe vera to my hair. For those of you who will ask, I do have an aloe vera plant at home. It's not Ano died, for those of you who were there during Ano, but Ano died. So my dad got us a new plant, a big one, so that's what I'm going to be using today. So I like to cut little sections into it so that all the slimy little juices start coming out, rub it together, and then apply it to my hair. I found that when I chop it up and stuff like that, it gets all over my hair and in my coils, and it just gets really, really hard. You end up picking aloe vera from your hair 2 weeks later. So after I've done that, I'm going to wet my hair again, and then I'm going to apply the electric blanket cap. So the cap was about $12, and it comes with like this little drawstring thing on the side that you can use to like tighten it around your head so that it sits a little bit better and that all the moisture actually stays within the cap. So you can use this with pretty much any mask you want to do on your hair, a deep condition. You can apply that before you go in with your heat cap. I'm going to watch Real Housewives of Atlanta while I wait for this. So about 15 minutes in, I realized that this baby was hot. It's like as hot as my electric blanket. I've never had so much heat on my head. So it was quite an interesting and uncomfortable feeling. At the same time, I was starting to get a little bit nervous about it because it was quite hot. So I decreased the temperature. I don't know what the temperature was because it's in Asian writing. I don't know which country. So I just, winged it. So it has setting 1 and setting 2, or setting A and setting B. And then obviously the lower one will be the lower temperature. So I had it at the highest first. So I decreased it to the lower one, which is a bit more tolerable. All in all, I had the cap in for about 15 to 20 minutes. I didn't want to have it in for too long. So the good thing about the cap is you can actually take off the inside part so that you can wash it. Obviously, since there's electricity, you can't be putting water on the other side. So there's this section that you can wash and then hang up to dry, and then you can use it another time. So this is what my hair looks like straight after, and it's still warm, so I wanted to wait for it to cool down before I begin washing it with cold water. After I have washed the aloe vera off, I'm going to go in with my normal hair care routine. So my lock method, I'm going to go in with that, just making sure my hair is well moisturized, because I'm going to allow it to just do a wash and go for today while I go about my errands and stuff like that. I'm acting like I have somewhere to be. I don't. We're in lockdown. Overall, I would really recommend for this hairstyle. I felt like it was a little bit drying for my hair with the aloe vera. So I would recommend doing a hydrating mask or a deep conditioning mask. I think it would work a lot better with something like that as compared to aloe vera. Maybe if I had mixed the aloe vera with something else or an oil or something like that, it would have done a lot better. But it didn't strip my hair or anything like that. But I did notice that it didn't give me the results that I was expecting.
So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts if you want to try it or not, and like if you like, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video every time it's posted. I love you guys so much. Oh, mwah.